and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be recording, I don't know anymore, Chicken 6060. See? Yeah, it is. No, and it is old seeds I'm saving for when I want to plant. Probably going to be never, but soon I hope I do plant it. Anyway, I have got 1, 2, 3. That one already is open. 4, 5. What happened to them? What happened? Oh no! Everything's falling. Oh no. Anyway, I'm going to be opening these 5 that I've got. I don't know how I lost others. Anyway, let's open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I've got the number wrong. Anyway. Don't ask me how I open these. Why am I going to break my tooth on this? No, I told you. Yeah. I bought it. Getting it out. Yes, I got grass, honey. Anyway, number 1. Number 2. I think I got a credit card on this one. Let's see. What are you going to say? 1, 2, 3, 4. I was wrong. What? I'm rich. I'm rich. How did I know? Of course it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the best code ever. I'm rich. Scan that, please. Okay. Now I can pay for everything in the world because it's a black card. I'm rich. Let me see. Oh, yes. I got my favorite thing in the world. Tea. Okay. Next one. I don't know. Number 4. I must break my tooth in that one. I still missed. I missed again. I did it. Yo, I'm rich. Batteries cost like over 100 rand these days. That's a lot. And I got Energizer, one of the best brands. I don't know. Okay. Okay, opening. What am I doing? Open. Okay, and we have got nothing. Hand sanitizer, check. I can't use this one. The bottle doesn't open. See, it doesn't open. Okay. Seems like we got one more thing left. At least I got 1 trillion rand from that credit card. No. You joking? I got avocado. You joking? Rest in peace. I'm just gonna show you something. I get it, woohoo! I got a box of avocados. Look at that. There's all that avocados I ever would need. Like every avocado and raven wannabe is in this tree. There's a raven wannabe. See? And look, there are all the avocados. Rest in peace. So, besides that, we can see what else I got. Okay, let's see. Wait, so I opened everything up. Which one has a credit card? I think it has this one, right? No, actually. Did I open the credit card or not? No. This one? No. It's hurt my tooth a lot, so yeah. It was worth it. I don't see the credit card thing. Now I've got this. Total plastic. See, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like, they always do this. Like, wherever you go and they will show a picture of a credit card, they'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's like common to do that, I guess. Because no code would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I guess. But still. I'm not going to be one of those people that just opens everything up and then puts it back and then says, oh, I wonder what we have got here. No. I still haven't found it. Yes. Credits, okay. Collector's card, okay. Alright, so this is a collector's item. Let's read, okay? Why is it not? Okay, I'll read it. I used to be a fridge. Is F&B credit cards were made from recycled fridges. Oh, nice. So, Team C-Tops. Cool. Or anything like that. Anyway, F&B credit card. Okay, I'm not going to say that. That is too grown up. So this card is the oldest bank in South Africa. This is the oldest in South Africa. That's cool. F&B credit card. That is so cool. So you learned 2 fun facts from that. It used to be a fridge and it's the oldest thing. That is cool, and yep. And that is cool, and this is the time. And yep. Wanna see what my watch can do? Let's see. Okay, let's go on the mode light. What's this? It has to be in the dark. Oh no, it's perfectly to go. Okay, see how you can't see my... Look at that. Anyway, viewers, this is going to be the end of the video. Bye-bye, and enjoy forever, never, never. Bye. Bye-bye.